Want to learn how to make the best roasted chicken in the air fryer? This healthy air fryer whole roast chicken is plump, juicy, and full of flavor that the entire family will enjoy. Cooking the chicken in the air fryer gives you succulent, tender meat and perfectly crispy skin on the outside. And, it's so easy to make in your air fryer in no time at all. It takes an hour to cook, but it goes fast, and you can work on other projects while it's cooking. To make the whole roast chicken in your air fryer you will need whole chicken, small amount of olive oil and seasonings. And, now you think how to cook the whole roast chicken. See, the air fryer does most of the work for you to make this a painless dinner option. You need to mix together the oil and seasonings in a bowl and rub the chicken with the mixture. Make sure to cover it well, so the flavor gets in every bit of the chicken. Cook the whole chicken for approximately 30 minutes, and then you'll need to flip it over and cook for another 30 minutes. When you think the chicken is done, check the temperature to make sure that it's 165 degrees. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before you serve it. Don't be afraid to use the juice in the bottom of the air fryer. It makes a delicious gravy or sauce. If you like this recipe, must like this video and share with others.